Hello?
Hello and welcome to the only father-daughter lunchtime cooking show.
It's going to be super fun.
Today we're making
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for the kids.
Well, the camera looks crooked to me. Okay. And action. Hi. My name's Avram.
And I'm Shai.
And welcome to the father-daughter cooking show. And behind the scenes is our cameraman, Bo. Today we're going to be making whole wheat or white bread, peanut butter. Oh, they're both whole wheat. Today we're going to be making whole wheat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
For lunch.
What you're going to need is whole wheat bread, a spoon for the jelly,
a knife for the peanut butter, some organic strawberry spread,
and crunchy unsalted peanut butter. First, we're going to open our bread. And this is how you can tell it's fresh bread. Listen. You hear that? That's fresh bread.
And we're going to make how many sandwiches?
Two sandwiches. One for my son and one for my daughter.
And there's 2 on each, so you're going to need 4 slices of bread.
Can we get a view of the camera? Can we get a view? Come look over here. All right? And we set it up this way.
So this is one sandwich, and that's the other sandwich.
All right. First, we're going to start off with our organic strawberry jelly.
Oh, and I'm going to make this one. He's going to make that.
We're going to see if this is fresh. No, not fresh. It's still good. Oh, you can smell those organic berries.
Oh, it's so good.
And if you whisper, they can hear you. So don't whisper.
Oh, sorry.
And this peanut butter, you can see the oils in there. So one trick we like to do is, it looks like the camera is looking at the camera. One trick we like to do is store our organic peanut butters upside down. They don't have to be in the refrigerator.
No!
Okay, put the camera back. Thank you, cameraman. Cameraman is 6. All right. One thing we like to do. No, don't do a camera up to camera. Of us, Bo. We're the stars. Okay. So one thing we like to do is store it upside down. That way the oils rise to the bottom. And then when you need to use it,
the bottom?
when you need to use it, it's not full of oil. Okay.
Full of oil.
I'll do the first one, Shai, and you'll do the second one. I get
Alright.
a scoop of peanut butter. I'm going to hold it over the bread. So if it drips right onto the bread. Now I hold the bread with one hand like this. It looks like the camera is looking at that instead of the sandwich I'm now spreading. Get close over here. Okay. So I'm going to let him do it. And I'm going to spread it around. And I'm going to keep it on the inside. And one of the reasons I'm going to keep it on the inside is my children often like me to cut the crust off. Why? I don't know. But there's a society...
I don't want you to cut the crust off anymore.
Oh, really?
I love the crust off.
Okay.
I love some pieces of bread.
So,
I love crust.
there is a society for eating crusts. We are not. We are slowly becoming members of. So, Shai, you're going to do this next one.
Well,
Okay.
no, I know, Dada.
Hold the peanut butter jar over the bread.
So I'm going to hold the peanut butter jar. And it's a bit hard because sometimes the peanut butter sticks to the knife.
Come on in here, camera.
So,
That might be a little too close. No? Oh, that was good. You're right. That was good.
okay.
All right. So we're going to use the lid of the peanut butter jar. Perfect, Shai. Nice and smooth. We're going to use the lid of the peanut butter jar. Cameraman's falling asleep on the job. To hold the knife. That way it's not getting our counter dirty.
Except the knife is over the counter.
Okay. And now I take, my children love jelly. So I'm going to put a plop in the middle. Now because I'm making 2 sandwiches, I'm going to do both plops first before I spread them with the back of the spoon.
So, I'm going to take this.
Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's a lot of jelly. Too much jelly. Okay. Beautiful. Plop that right in the middle.
Plop.
Okay. And now, just like when you're spreading pizza sauce, and if you haven't seen our pizza making video, that's video number 22, episode 5.
And the link is down below.
Right? No. Below our screen, not on the bottom of the floor. Okay, I'm going to use the back of the spoon, and I'm going to spread this around just gently.
What the problem is it's on that side, but on the computer it's on that side.
I see. It's
It's
flipped
okay.
on the computer.
It's fine.
Okay, and I'm spread it around with the back of the spoon. I don't have a lot of peanut butter there, and I'm now ready to spread it. And Shai's going to do that.
So it's kind of just like that, but we also want to use streaks so that it can get everywhere. I think I put too less jelly.
Our peanut butter is we purchased at Trader Joe's. We are not sponsored by Trader Joe's, and our strawberry jelly is from
Ralph's.
Costco.
Oh.
We are not sponsored by Costco.
We're sponsored by
Bye.
Bed Bathroom and
Toilet paper.
yeah.
Here's the lid of the strawberry jelly. And now we're going to take the bread. Now, what you want to do, come on in close, camera.
Hey, that's
Sorry. What you want to do is match up the way the bread was originally sliced. So this is not, wait, is that right? Which is right?
That's right.
No, I think this one is right.
Yeah, that's right.
And I'm going to put that there so
Oh,
I
what are you
match
doing?
it up. Perfect. All right, and now Shai.
All right. So I'm gonna match. Is this right?
Looks like.
Yeah, that's right.
No, flip it. There you go.
Okay.
And perfect. Now, this is the next thing you do is you get a knife. I'll be right back.
No, but we like the crust on.
Wait, you still like to cut the sandwich usually.
Yeah, and we're gonna cut the sandwich right in half.
And
And I have a trick for
Okay,
that.
do you?
And if you have cookie cutters,
Yeah.
you can shape the sandwich.
Bo, would you like a shape today?
Yes.
We have a cloud, a dog bone, a sheriff star, or also a Jewish star for our Christian friend, and a dinosaur. Which would you like today, Bo?
Dinosaur.
Bo would like the dinosaur, so I'm
Oh
gonna.
wait, we have more.
That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put it there.
But I also want an airplane.
You, oh,
Let's do that. So
okay, come on in close, camera. Okay, slow. Cameraman has to have slow movements. Okay, not because that's jarring to the visual. We're gonna push that down, and very good. Is this too close?
That's good. That's good. That's
Now
really
I'm
good.
gonna wiggle, and you hear the cook. You hear it against the cutting board. Good, and that means now I'm gonna peel away the bread before. Peel away the bread. Peel away the bread, and now I'm slowly pushing it out.
Okay, but I don't know if Daddy knows what time it is.
All right, and we have a beautiful dinosaur that we're ready to plate. And Shai, would you like?
that plate, it has plates on its back.
Oh yeah, good one.
I'm actually gonna cut it like that.
Okay.
So my trick is so you see that little curve there. To make it even slices,
Put your hand on top of the knife.
I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna go in from that curve.
And it's okay.
Perfect. Look at that beautiful half cut, and this beautiful dinosaur cut.
It's
We're gonna go. I'm gonna take this crust, and my son will still eat the crust. So I'm gonna cut it up, not into bite sizes, but like tiny sandwich sizes, like petit fours.
And now they're nice, tiny little appetizers.
Yeah. So you got the appetizer, the main course, dinosaur. Cameraman, don't let the camera wander.
and it's okay if you're splitting it in half if it's not exactly the middle. Like Shy didn't cut it exactly in the middle.
Okay, I'm Avram,
And I'm Shy.
and that's Bo on the camera. And we'll see you next time for our next cooking video.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
bye.